My name is Trevor. I'm from Class 3D in St. Hilary's Primary School. So now I'm going to teach you how to code on the microbit. Excuse me, little coughs. I'm going to teach you all over again. So now you take something like this, put it here, take show lead. You make like a smiley face, for example. You can make any icon you want, like it slowly becomes one little like icon. And then now you can, so I'm going to teach you how to make two different kinds of things. So one is a smiley face and one is I think it's like a little like tick or just like a heart, because I know those are the things I had done earlier. So now I just put it like this. And then now you can go here for loops. I'm going to repeat it 5, I guess. So now one is already done. So now you go here, press that button. You can press like something like that. You see? Or maybe I have to do something else. And you add something like here. And then let's try to start. Woo! And then it goes. Wait, what? Hold up. Don't. Oh, I get it. So I done something wrong. So I'm sorry. Sometimes I also get confused on this. So I have to do something like this. Right. 2, 3, like that. And then put another show lead like this. And I know you get a little bit confusing when you do it. So the one button I pressed just now, maybe that's if you have a microbit, you can do that, and then you can take a look at it. How will it function and do something? So now I'm just gonna keep on doing it while talking to you guys. I'm a grade 3 student. I'm from SH, you guys might know. So now I think it's okay. So let's take a look. If I press button A, ooh, I think it'll work. Yup, it's working. So like the smiley face going up and down. So now I'm gonna do another one. But we're gonna take another one of these. But we can't make it like that. I'll make it larger. Because we just need button A. So you press on this and then take a B. So it exists. And then you press another show lead. I'm gonna do a heart this time. And then now I do it again, put it here. And then do it like that. Like keep on adding. Slowly, adding. And then another one, adding. So you do it slowly, one by one. So otherwise you won't get like so confusing. If you get so confused, I guess maybe you get it wrongly. So you try to stay calm and then do it slowly. And then now I'm doing a heart, of course. You guys might know. If you guys are new to this SH channel, you guys can subscribe, share it. So I'm just keep on continuing doing it. So I keep on doing it. It might take a lot of time, but don't worry. Just believe in yourself. Always trust in yourself. Do that, do here, and then like that. Another one. It might be very annoying sometimes, but not always. I done this before at school, so I guess I can remember it. I hope I could. And then now I show up, stroll, and then now I take another repeating thingy. Hey, no. Yeah. And I'll make it 5. Now, let's see about the microbit. Let's go. I'll go take my microbit so that I can show you guys what it's gonna be like. But I'm still gonna teach you how to upload it on your microbit so that you don't get like confused about how to put it on your microbit or something. Like blah blah blah. I'm just gonna go find my microbit first. So you guys just try to take a look at the pattern. Where's my microbit? Is he here? Oh my God. So I found my microbit, and now I'm gonna teach you how to save it. So now you put this down, and then you will see something like this, a purple button. So now, sorry, so it's loading. It's loading. Maybe you can't see because I didn't turn it on yet. So now I hold it. Oopsie, wrong button. Hold it, and they'll pop out. I use Bluetooth to connect each other, so sometimes I get confused with it. Yep, it's flashing my code that I made just now. So it's successful. So now I'm gonna show you how to use the microbit that I made. So you see like a battery box over here. You can like turn it on. I'll just turn it off. I'll turn it on again. Usually nothing pops out, right? But if you press this A button, it's like a little smiley face popping out. Ooh, smiley face, smiley face. And then right, it's repeating. So it's repeating itself because I done a repeating thingy. Now I do a B. Let's try a B. Yep, now it's the heart. And then heart. So that stays there. Like, so I can like do. So I only made 2. So I hope you guys enjoy my video. So bye-bye.